Hi, how can I help you today?
Oh, I'm just coming in because my headphones are broken and I
Okay.
need something different.
All right. Well, can I ask you a few questions? Like,
Sure.
what do you use your headphones for?
Just like talking on the phone, listening to music, that kind of stuff.
Okay. Do you exercise with them at all?
Yeah, sometimes.
Okay. So, what kind of features are you looking for? What's important to you?
Well, I don't like the wires, so I think it'd be good to have something wireless, but I still have to have something that will like stay in, and
Okay.
not lose it.
Sure. Okay. So, have you tried any of these Bluetooth type headphones that kind of wrap around your neck and fit in your ears?
I've seen them before, and I have tried them on. They're just a little bit bulky, like these big things,
Mm-hmm.
and then they still have wires. So,
Okay. Yeah. No, that's great. I just wanted to make sure that you know your options so you see this great product that I'm going to show you. Um, it's called Apple AirPods. Have you
all
seen
right.
these before?
I think so, but
Okay. So they're a great product. Maybe you've seen people walking around. They've kind of they look just like your earphones,
mhm,
but without any wires. They're completely wireless.
yeah,
So what this means for you is that you'll have no tripping or fumbling over wires. You can easily wear them while you're working or exercising. They're super versatile and they're pretty comfortable to fit in your ear. Do you want to try them on?
sure.
So it will tell you if it's for the right ear or the left ear with the little letter on
Okay.
the stem.
Oh, yeah, it just made a sound.
Okay, that means they're turning on. So these are super easy to use and pair with your phone. Now those are paired with my phone right now. Would you mind if I play you some music to show you the great sound?
Sure.
All right, here you go. Can you hear it?
Yeah, I can.
Is it pretty good?
Yeah, it doesn't sound bad.
Not bad? Great. Well, I think that the sound quality is excellent, especially when you consider um, no wires to deal with, right? All Bluetooth. So
hmm
the connection is pretty good.
Yeah, it sounds pretty
Excellent.
good.
So this means you can hear your music and it will stop if the phone rings.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you can take a call right from those, and it's actually really great sound quality when you're on the phone. You would never be able to tell. I know when I first got my AirPods, I was nervous about answering the phone because you can't see a microphone coming off
Yeah.
of the actual AirPod, but the sound quality is excellent. And I'm happy to make a phone call from the other room if you want to check that out, but I can vouch for them on the phone. They're really excellent.
Cool. Yeah. No, I kind of like these.
Great.
Okay.
So, did you have a question?
Oh, yeah. I was gonna ask about, are they the how long does the battery last?
Okay. So, you can use your AirPods for up to 5 hours without recharging them. And this case that they come in is actually the charging case. So, if you're flipping open your iPhone or your iPad, and they're also compatible with Android products, but really easily compatible with iPhone. Do you have an
Yeah,
iPhone?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. All the iOS
So
stuff. Yeah.
that's easy. When you flip this open, it'll tell you exactly how much charge is in each earbud and in the case. So this case doesn't need to be recharged very often at all. In fact, I go days without recharging my case, but I can recharge my earbuds easily when I'm not using them just by sticking them in the case.
Cool. Okay.
In fact, I have my own personal case here. I just marked it with some tape so that my husband and I don't get them mixed up.
hmm
But having that long battery life would be great for you if you use these at work and while exercising. You kind of need a little bit more battery life than some of the Bluetooth headphones that are on the market right now.
Yeah. No, they're good.
So it seems like you're pretty comfortable with those
Yeah.
in your ear.
I like them.
Good.
Put them back right now.
Don't hurt your head.
No, they feel good.
I'm so glad. Well, I think that having used them myself, I can totally vouch that AirPods are the easiest, best earphones that I have used. So convenient. You can carry them easily in your pocket. They have a really good long battery life, great sound, and completely wireless. So I know that sometimes when I've gone into stores, they've been completely sold out. They're so popular. I think that really adds to their credibility. So
yeah.
Do you think these meet your criteria?
I think so. How much are they?
Well, I think they're worth the price. They're about $160.
Okay.
Is that going to work for you?
Yeah.
To get all those features?
Yeah.
Great.
Pretty good.
All right. Well, let me ring you up.
Okay.
Oh, and before you go, if I could just tell you, if you're ever concerned about your earbuds falling off when you're exercising, they fit easily into these little, they're called pod grips. So you stick the pod grip just right over your ear, and the earbud fits easily inside it, so you can be sure to never lose them.
Okay.
These are super inexpensive. They're just a few dollars. Do you want to add those to your order?
Yeah. How much?
They are $8.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Great. Well, I'm so glad. Do you think that we've kind of solved your problem here today?
Well, I hope so. I'm just trying this on for 1 second.
All right.
Yeah, that works.
Okay. You want to shake your head a bit? No, it doesn't go anywhere. And if you ever have any trouble, come back to me. My name is Denise. I'll take good care of you, I promise.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.